doing today. I hope you guys are having a lovely day. I know I am. I know some of y'all like, bitch, what's different? My hair. I done did my little edges. You see, a little curl on the side, a little back, little back, no. Okay, so what I am going to be showing you guys today is I'm going to be doing an aloe vera face mask shave. And I know some of y'all like, bitch, what is that? So what it is basically like you put aloe vera on your face and you just shave the dead skin off your face. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to make it and apply it and all of this. So let's go ahead and get into it, shall we? So what you guys will need is, of course, an aloe vera leaf, a blender. Now you don't have to use a blender, but I would say it'll be easier to use a blender because the aloe vera gel tends to get really thick and clumpy. So to get more out of your dollar, it'll be easier to just blend it. Now you don't gotta run out to the store and get no blender if you don't have one. Just cut the gel out of it. Or you could use, like what I've seen people do, they use like a dough roller and they just roll it across the aloe vera leaf and it pushes all that gel out. I'm gonna use a blender because I don't want to deal with the clumpiness. Now, a Tupperware container. Now, don't go out to Walmart, CVS, Rite Aid, Walgreens. Don't go to none of them stores to get you a Tupperware container. If you have any laying around your house, wash that bitch out and make sure you have the lid. And make sure you have the lid. Also, what you'll need is a knife, an eyebrow razor, and y'all. Let's go ahead and get into it, shall we? So what you'll need to do is cut you a piece. You don't have to cut the whole aloe vera leaf up. You could just cut you a big little chunk of it. Move that out the way. Cut the sides. Be careful, don't cut yourself. And what'll probably make this easier is if you just slice it. And I know some of y'all like, are you gonna take the skin off? Yes, just be patient. Be patient. Be patient. Let me take the lid off of here. As y'all can see, I got like a little green thing, but fuck that shit. And just try not to cut too much. I know it's hard because it is a slippery plant. And also what aloe vera do, you don't have to necessarily use it to do a shave. Aloe vera helps with a lot of stuff. It helps like with tightening your skin. It helps with dark spots. Shit. Okay. It helps with a lot of stuff. And like once you take it off your face, it feels so good. Like you can really feel it working. I am starting to like these like little skin care videos that I be doing. I might start doing like twist outs and stuff like that on natural hair. Like do a little video as to how I do my baby girl's hair and my middle daughter's hair. Yeah, this is a lot easier versus trying to do the whole thing. Okay, so if you got that little skin in there, don't worry about it. We finna blend that shit up anyway. Okay, so you're gonna take the blender. Now, for those of you that aren't using a blender, what you can do is just put it in your Tupperware container, or take you like a little fork. I'm putting this on the wrong way. Or take you like a little fork and just mash it up, or you can take a whisk and beat it a little bit in the bowl. Okay, so now we're about to blend it. Okay, so now that we're done blending it, it's gonna look like this. It's gonna look like some soup. Oh, look how it look. Oh my god. Okay, so y'all know how cheap I am. So instead of using what's in here, so finna use what's right here. Oh. So you just pour it into the Tupperware bowl. Pour, 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 pour. It's a whole lot of money. That's my song, y'all. Now, if y'all want to, what y'all can do is scoop. Scoop that in. Scoop that. Shaka laka, shaka laka, shaka laka, shaka. So what you're gonna do is now, you're gonna, like I always say, make sure you clean your face. Clean your face. Take your little cotton pad, sea breeze, alcohol, witch hazel. Alcohol's a little bit too harsh, but take that and wipe it down. 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 I'm trying to get these marks out my fucking face, cause this shit is a damn disgrace. Hey, bars. 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 I know some of y'all like, girl, you be doing the most when you be, shit, all my shit gotta be clear. So now, it's time. It's time. Okay, so what you're gonna wanna do is wet your face a little bit. Just take your hands, wet your face, just a little bit. Please try not to cut your damn eyebrows off, y'all, please. So you're gonna take the aloe vera, and I'm using, it's kind of hard, and just rub it on. Take the little aloe vera and just wipe it on. Wipe it on. Wipe. Some of y'all be like, oh my gosh, it just feels so weird, bitch. Why? Just rub that shit on your face. Rub it on, and then I'm gonna show y'all another skin love regimen in another video that you can do as well, that I do every now and again with aloe vera, cause Vera is my girl. Vera, you don't want this shit to dry. That's another video. That's another little skincare regimen. Don't be talking about my Dollar Tree product, y'all. I always rinse everything off. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna lightly just comb down. Try to stay away from your eyes and shit. Take your little piece of tissue or a cotton swab or a cotton ball, whatever, just something clean to wipe your razor off with. and then you proceed to give them what they need. As we proceed, I would say stay far away from your eyebrow and your edges. And you see all these dark spots, bro? I gotta get rid of this shit. This ain't cool. I want my melanin to be popping. Okay. And then look at it. This is how much came off in my face. Excuse my little chip nails and bit nails, but that's how much dead skin, little hair that came off. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna rinse your face, okay? Take your cotton pad and blot your face. See, even after you guys wipe, there still be oil accumulating. See how fast oil accumulates on your face? But your face feels smoother. I know. Your face feels a lot smoother. So that's it. Make sure you just clean up your mess though. That's it, y'all. That is really it. Just be careful when you shave. Your face feels a whole lot smoother. When you're done, you can go ahead and apply any type of moisturizer to your face. Whatever lotion, moisturizer, whatever. Apply it to your face so your face doesn't dry out. I'm not saying that it'll dry your face out, but you just, you know, after you clean your face and stuff like that, you know you're supposed to put some lotion on it. But anyway, guys, yeah, that's it. If you guys want to see me do another video like this or any more skincare videos, if there's something that you guys would like to suggest me try out, especially if you know something that'll get these marks up out my face. I drink plenty of water, so I know it takes time. But if you know something that'll help get these marks out of my face ASAP, drop them comments down below. And I will see you guys in the next one.